Rosy was the star of her school's soccer team, fast, focused, and full of energy. "I'm unstoppable," she laughed, grabbing a soda and a bag of chips after practice. Soon, her snack breaks became habits. Chips for lunch, candy after school, soda all day. At first, no one noticed, but then, things changed. Rosy started missing goals. She felt tired all the time. Her legs felt heavy during practice. Coach frowned. "Everything okay, Rosy?" "I don't know," she muttered. "I just don't feel like myself." That night, Rosy looked at her old photos full of energy, full of life. She stared at the half-eaten candy bar in her hand and dropped it in the trash. The next day, Rosy chose fruits, water, and real meals again. Slowly but surely, her energy came back. Her spark returned. In the big game, she scored the winning goal and smiled like she used to. Rosy cheered with her team. "No more junk. I'm fueling for greatness now." Moral: junk food kills energy. Real food brings it back.